I'm Stéphane Amerio. I'm a simulation engineer in Airbus Helicopter simulation department. And here we can see the Amesim simulation environment. We use it to model the behavior of the fuel system in the H160 helicopter. We have real test benches made by the fuel specialists. On the test rigs, we cannot do all real-life tests because it would be too costly or too dangerous to run. Here in the simulation, we can push the limits of the system and see how it behaves. And we correlate this with how the real experts of the domain of the fuel know how it should behave. So here we can see all the 4 tanks of the helicopter. And what is important to us is to see how it behaves in real time. So for example, here the helicopter at some pitch going toward the ground, or for example accelerating toward the x-axis. And you can see that the rear tank is getting emptied into the other tanks. What is important to see is the behavior, the velocity at which it empties itself. Sometimes we see something that are quite surprising or not expected at all. And these are the real benefits, because we can shorten the delay when doing multiple tests. We can see things we should have seen only during the real flights, and they should have been very costly, so we try to avoid that at all costs.
My name is Nicolas Certain. I am a flight test engineer. I act in flight with a test pilot and another flight test engineer, and we collect information and push the helicopter at its limit in order to provide the design office with information to tune the helicopter. Simulation is very important because it allows us, crew team I would say, to understand really what is our helicopter and what is the behavior of each subsystem. This allows us to reduce the time of test, because we can focus then on main issues like performances and handling quality.
Amesim helps us to have a very fine modelization of every behavior. It does thermic, it does mechanic, it does hydraulic, and it does fuel equipments too. And we can mix these together to get something that matches very closely the real behavior of the equipment in real life.